Level 35, day 32. We're into our second month of daily vlogging, huh babe?
Yeah.
And Anthony has some exciting news this morning. What's your exciting news, love?
We bought a $10 lottery ticket and won $100.
He just won $100! Woo woo! Good job, babe.
Thank you.
Yay!
Reveal $100 and we'll win $100 instantly.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Good job.
Thank you.
That's so cool, huh?
Yeah, it is.
Great way to start the second month of daily vlogging.
Mm-hmm.
Look how cute this little baby chipmunk is in my yard. He's so tiny. He definitely was just born this year, probably. I think he's living in my little drain pipe, which isn't the best decision-making skills, but look at how cute he is. I might have to put some food there later. Oh, look at him little jump.
Corn and stuff. Peanuts.
Oh, jump.
I can disconnect that pipe so he can have a house and run our pipe.
Oh my god, he's so cute. Oh, there he goes. Oh, what is he doing?
I can disconnect that pipe and run it a different way so he doesn't get flooded out when it rains.
Yeah, look at his little face. Oh, there you go.
Did you hear me?
I heard you. I don't know where he went to. He ran somewhere into the bushes. So it's a really nice day out today. So we're going to take pictures. Take pictures with the girls in their outfits. Look at them girls.
Girls.
Look at them girls. With their pumpkins. Oh my god, so cute. Cutest wiener dogs ever. Oh my god, they're so cute. It's a queen, little baby queenies. Oh.
Marley. Move.
Good catching.
That's so good.
Marley loves to carve her own pumpkin, and we let her every single year. She has did this since she was 6 months old. Her first Halloween, I think she was 6 months old. And we got her one of those teeny tiny pumpkins, and she carved it herself. So now she took hers and, oh, nope, she doesn't like that one. She's gonna come up to one of these.
She grabbed the one that says Marley.
Yep, she grabbed one that has her name on it. And this one carves, but only when she's in the mood. Like, only when she has, like, extra energy. Right now she's really content with Dad, but when she has extra energy, she'll get one and carry it and carve it. But Marley loves to carve pumpkins.
She almost tripped over it. She's gonna take it to the.
Just gonna take it to the next one. Nope, there we go.
She says more. Liv, you just want pet it, huh? I just want pet it. Now she's gonna. Liv just wants pet it. That's all she wants. Liv just wants love. Her tail's wagging. Look how shiny she is, huh?
She is very shiny.
Good food we're giving her.
Oh, takes it over here. I'm gonna plop it down right here.
I'll play with her, huh? Come get it. Liv.
Oh, let's see if Liv wants to play. She's like, I don't know about all that.
Marley's slobber all over his slobber. She just moved it. All she did was move it.
Yeah, she's like, yeah, I gotta go poop. I gotta find the perfect spot to the poop. It is Halloween cleanup here. Everything must come down so that we can get ready for the next holiday. And just like that, Halloween is gone. And And I don't know if I should decorate for Thanksgiving or Christmas. We'll see.